So now scroll down and you can see the preview settings. So you need to enable the preview restrictions. Let's enable it. Now the required login field is set to default. There are two options. Yes, non-logged in users gets preview only. Full file is accessible to everyone. So I want to show the preview to the non-logged in users only. Okay. So now how I want to restrict. There are 4 different options. Users, user roles, products or WooCommerce products, and paid membership role levels. So first let's try with users. And when I'm setting users and allowing only myself, or I'm naming it as admin, then only this user can see the main file and all the other users will see the preview only or the 2-page only. Now let's talk about the user roles. So let's disallow something. Disallow the subscribers. So now the subscribers are disallowed from the main or full PDF. They will just see the preview version. And if I think it differently, I can select user roles and then allow only the administrator. So now the administrator is only allowed, which means all the others are disallowed from seeing the full PDF. They can see the partial PDF now. Now let's see how this user roles restriction works. So I have allowed the administrators only, and let's click on update. Now let's open the link. You can see, as I am the administrator of this website, the full PDF will be visible to me. You can see there are 8 pages and the PDF is fully visible. Okay, now let's open this link as a incognito mode. Now this is a normal user and you can see there are only 2 pages. So this means only the administrator gets the full access and the other users or every other users will get the half access or the partial view of the PDF. Okay, now let's check out the third option, which is products or WooCommerce products. Let me tell you, to use this option you must need WooCommerce on your WordPress website. So I am keeping the access type to allow and I'm selecting a product, like a fake product. So now when a user buys this product, they can see the full version of the PDF, and if they don't buy this product, they will see the partial view. Then click on update. Okay, now let's check out this link. Open a new tab. You can see the PDF that comes here is just of 2 pages, but my original PDF was 32 pages. So I am seeing or viewing the partial PDF. But why? Because I haven't bought that product yet. So now if I go to my shop, these are my fake product, and let's click add to cart, view cart, and then proceed to checkout. Okay, now as you can see, my order has been placed. So now I have bought that product. Now let's come to the step and let's reload this one. Now as you can see, I can read the 32-page PDF, which is the full version of this PDF, not the partial one. So this is a brilliant option to sell products and then show something. What you can do, you can set up any product or any number of products, and when someone buys that product, they can see the full PDF. The last option is paid membership pro level. As you can see here, I have two types of members created in my membership plugin, Paid Membership Pro. So free users and monthly subs. The free users are doesn't have any billing details, but the monthly subs have $25 per month. So who are paying me $25 per month? I want to let them read my books or any PDF. So what I need to do, I need to allow only the monthly subs. So the free users will be deducted. And when you click update, this will do the same thing as the monthly subs will see the full PDF and the free subs will be shown the partial PDF or the 2-page PDF. So that's how you work with Preview PDF Viewer for WordPress add-on.